Vienna Convention on the Law of Treaties, Article 43. Obligations imposed by international law independently of a treaty, the invalidity, termination, or denunciation of a treaty, the withdrawal of a party from it, or the suspension of its operation, as a result of the application of the present convention, or of the provisions of the treaty, shall not in any way impair the duty of any state to fulfill any obligation embodied in the treaty, to which it would be subject under international law independently of the treaty.